Hello. With whom do you come school?
With my sister.
Okay. And how do you come school?
With bike.
By bike. Okay. And when do you get up?
I get up 6 a.m. in the morning.
Every day.
Every day.
Okay. Who is she?
She is my neighbor.
Okay. She know how to speak English? She knows?
Yes, sir.
She knows?
How to speak English.
Okay. Do you know who am I?
Yes, I know you are a teacher.
Okay. Where do I live?
You live in Agar.
Okay. Do you know I teach English? Do you know I teach English? Yes.
Yes, I teach English.
Yes, I know. You teach English. Okay. Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow.
Okay. Why will you come tomorrow? I'm asking to you.
Because
I will.
I want to speak English.
Very good. Okay. And as well as you will come. You will also come tomorrow.
Yes, as well as I will come tomorrow.
Okay. Why will you come tomorrow?
Because tomorrow sir will teach us
Tomorrow?
adverb, so I want to speak English, so I will come tomorrow.
Very good. Okay. Do you have mobile?
No, finally.
I don't have mobile. I don't have mobile. Which mobile do you have?
I have a Oppo A53.
Okay.
model.
Okay. Do you have parents?
Yes, I have parents.
Okay. What does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife, but she is work at advocate.
Okay. And what does your father do?
My mother name is Sujaisen.
What does he do? I'm asking the occupation. What does he do? Sir, what does your father do?
My father is a farmer
Okay. Okay. Where is your farm? I'm asking where is your village?
in a village.
Okay. Okay. Which kind of dresses would you like to wear?
All kinds of dresses I like.
Okay. Do you respect our elders?
Yes, I respect our elders.
Okay. Can you try to speak English? Yes, I.
Yes, I speak English.
Yes, I can try to speak English. Okay. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? Anybody else? I have been here
I have been here 2 April.
since.
Since 2 April.
Very good. Okay. Are you learning English with Pradeep sir?
Yes,
We are.
learning English with Pradeep sir.
Okay. Today I will give you some story in English. You will make translate in Hindi. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, we are.
Okay. Do you know?
किस जानते हो?
I am taught by Pradeep sir.
मैं प्रदीप सर द्वारा पढ़ाए जाते हैं,
We are taught by Pradeep sir. तो हम प्रदीप सर के द्वारा पढ़ा जाते हैं. And we are called और हमें
बुलाया जाता है
for learn English
इंग्लिश
सीखने के लिए. We come here every day by
हम यहाँ जाते हैं
car
कार के द्वारा,
with my parents.
मेरे पेरेंट्स के द्वारा.
Parents के द्वारा. Okay. Why do you want to come here?
तुम
यहाँ
यहाँ
क्यों
क्यों आना
आना?
चाहते हो?
Because I want to learn English.
क्योंकि मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हूँ,
Because I can try to speak English.
क्योंकि मैं इंग्लिश बोलने का प्रयास कर सकती हूँ.
Now I can understand English, but I cannot speak English.
मैं अभी इंग्लिश
समझ
समझ
सकती
सकता
हूँ.
हूँ पर बोल नहीं सकती हूँ.
What should I do?
मैं क्या करना
मुझे क्या
चाहिए?
करना चाहिए? You must practice every day.
तुम्हें हर रोज प्रैक्टिस करनी ही चाहिए.
Okay, but sir, do we need to practice? क्या
क्या
हमें?
प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत है?
Yes, we need to speak English.
यहाँ हमें इंग्लिश बोलने की जरूरत है,
Because we are from English medium school.
क्योंकि हम इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल से हैं.
Okay, are you learning? क्या तुम सीख रहे हो? What are you learning?
तुम क्या सीख रहे हो?
We are learning English by Pradeep sir.
हम प्रदीप सर के द्वारा इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं.
Okay, are you interested?
क्या तुम इंटरेस्टेड हो?
Okay, are you able to speak English?
क्या तुम इंग्लिश बोलने के योग्य हो?
Okay, do you know?
क्या तुम जानते हो?
I used to learn English in Ujjain,
मैं इंग्लिश उज्जैन में
सीखा?
क्या करती थी,
but I came
पर मैं आ गई
and I joined your classes.
और मैंने आपकी
Class
क्लास ज्वाइन
joined.
करी.
Now I am confident
अब मैं कॉन्फिडेंस हूँ,
and now I can speak English
अब मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकती हूँ
because of you.
आपकी वजह से.
आपके. Okay. Neither I speak,
ना
तो
तो
मैं,
मैं बोल सकती
nor you let me speak.
हूँ, ना तुम मुझे बोलने देते हो.
Do you know Ram and Shyam are going to market?
क्या तुम जानते हो राम और श्याम मार्केट जा रहे हैं?
Not only I am a girl but also I am a teacher.
न केवल मैं एक गर्ल हूँ पर मैं एक टीचर भी हूँ.
I will come till tomorrow.
मैं कल तक आऊंगी.
आऊंगी. Although you came,
भले ही तुम आओ,
but she went.
पर मैं जल्द जाएगी.
Do you know I speak English as well as I speak Hindi?
क्या तुम जानते हो मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने के साथ साथ हिंदी भी बोलती हूँ.
Okay, I have pen whereas you have pencil.
मेरे पास पेन है जबकि तुम्हारे पास पेंसिल है.
Okay, do you know we live under the sky.
हम आसमान के नीचे रहते हैं.
She is better than me.
वह मुझसे अच्छी है,
Okay, but I am better than you.
पर मैं तुमसे अच्छी हूँ.
Okay, do you know I will come on Sunday
क्या तुम जानते हो मैं संडे को आऊंगी
with my mother
मेरी मम्मी के साथ
कार के द्वारा
बाय कार.
उज्जैन से from.
उज्जैन.
Okay, राम और श्याम के बीच में.
अभी राम एंड श्याम.
Okay, रानी के बगल में.
बिसाइड द रानी.
Okay, मंदिर के पीछे.
बिहाइंड द टेम्पल.
स्कूल के एकदम सामने
इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द स्कूल.
स्कूल.